Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out a prior approval form for studying abroad. To find the form, you simply search Prior Approval Form UMass Boston. Now that you have the form open, we're going to transition to our Study Abroad portal. Search UMass Boston Study Abroad programs. Scroll down to Explore Programs and click. From there, you can scroll down to our Study Abroad page and click Explore Study Abroad Programs and apply. If you haven't already, use your UMass Boston credentials and sign into our portal. Click Go to Portal. Once the page is loaded, now we can search for your desired program. Today, I will be taking you step by step through an example of Korea University. Search in the search bar your desired university. Here we have searched Korea University. On this page, you can see more information about the program, academics, term information, cost and funding, and resources. To find courses, we can go under academics. Once you're in the academics, you can scroll down to the courses, and under courses, you will find an external link, and you can click that. Once you click that, you want to translate the page into English, and then go to select course. Here now, we can filter out your term information as well as your major and desired courses. If you're attending a course in the future, for example, like fall of 2026, and the courses are not yet available to you, you can use the 2025 or a previous year as a reference. Here we're filtering out 2025 fall to reference courses. For example, we are going to show the College of Liberal Arts and the Department of Sociology. Once we have filtered out our desired courses, we are going to hit search. This will give you a general idea of what to expect for course offerings. It is important to recognize that for international students, the only courses available to you are the courses that are checked off under the 3X column, as well that is specified that is in the English language. If you do not select classes that are recognized as in the English language, it will be in a foreign language. For Korea University, in order to see the syllabus for the course, you're going to click the course code. Once you've clicked the course code, a syllabus will appear. If this is a desired course that you would like to take, now you're going to take the next step and save the syllabus to your computer. It is important to save this file somewhere as a PDF and rename the document in English. For Korea University, in order to save this as a file, you can click Ctrl-P or Command-P on a MacBook to immediately view print settings and save the document as a PDF, or File and Save As. Make sure to rename the course as listed in the course description in English. Once you have completed this process for all courses you would like to take, and they're all in one folder together, we are now going to transition to the prior approval form. Make sure to carefully read the prior approval form directions and check the boxes as you read. From there, we're going to move on to completing the steps required. Fill out student information above, like your student name, student ID, home address, signature, major, minor, phone number, email, etc. From there, you are going to fill out numbers 1 through 4. Numbers 5 through 8 will be filled out by administration. Do not fill out numbers 5 through 8. Now reference the course code, course title, and the number of credits from the syllabi that you previously saved. For section 4, select yes if you are seeking credit towards your major or minor. Select no if you are seeking credits for gen eds and electives. Fill out all your desired courses in columns 1 through 4. Once your prior approval form is completely filled out, we are now going to open up our Outlook email. Download your prior approval form as a PDF. When you download it, it will automatically generate a title. Where it says insert, plug in your first and last name, and we recommend to add your student ID and the term you're studying abroad. Now attach all syllabi along with your prior approval form to one email. For a proper subject title reference step 5, we also recommend to add your student ID and term you're studying abroad. In the email, briefly state your first and last name, your student ID, and where and when you are going. Also state the timeline and urgency of when you hope to hear back from the form. And send to external.credit@umb.edu, as well as copy studyabroad@umb.edu. It is important that all documents are attached as a PDF. Once the form has been signed by all required department signatures, return this form back under My Programs in My Forms under prior approval. This process will slightly vary when navigating different university course portals. If you need any additional help, please visit the Office of Global Programs, Floor 2 of Campus Center, Suite 2100, or contact studyabroad@umb.edu.